The Lyon hypothesis deals with X inactivation through X-linked inheritance, and X inactivation occurs in females due to females having two X chromosomes, and the genes in both chromosomes don't need to be expressed twice. So what typically happens is that one X chromosomes get randomly inactivated during development. So I'm crossing these out to represent that. And then as they continue to grow, divide, and develop, the cells that carry the activated version of the X chromosome will have it on one X chromosome, and then they'll have an inactivated version, which will later be called the bar body. But each cell will have like a different X chromosome being activated, even though they do express the same gene. This doesn't occur in males because males have one X chromosome and they have a Y chromosome, so they only have one X chromosome to be expressed. We can represent X inactivation through the tortoiseshell cat. Here we have recessive genes only for recessive cat, which occurs for yellow fur cats. And we have a dominant X alleles, which has black fur. And then we have the tortoiseshell cat, which is heterozygous, so it has a dominant and a recessive. And basically what happens over here is that in this patch of yellow fur, we have an X activated allele as the recessive gene, so that's why it's yellow. And then the bar body is basically the dominant X chromosome that was inactivated. And over here we have in the black fur, the cell has the activated X chromosome for black fur, which is the dominant one, and we have a bar body, which was the inactivated X chromosome for yellow fur, which is why tortoiseshell cats appear this way. And also, you can't clone, or the clone won't look like its mother, because if you took out a cell from this cat, that cell would grow to divide with only the activated X chromosome. And so when you take out that cell, it would only have that activated. So if you took a yellow one, you would have only a yellow cat, because it had only the activated X chromosome for yellow fur and the bar body. And again, the bar body is just the inactivated X chromosome. So no matter what, it will never look like a tortoiseshell cat because it only has that activated X chromosome taken from the mother. Here we have a branch diagram of a cross between a yellow short-haired female and a long black-haired male that's heterozygous for the long hair. And I drew Punnett squares to demonstrate the phenotypic ratios, which we use in our branch diagram. So over here, we start with the male and the fur color. So we have 1/2 male that's all yellow, and then over here we have 1/2 female that's all tortoiseshell color. And then we cross or multiply that with the length of the fur, and we get 1/2 long hair over here, which is heterozygous, and then we get 1/2 short hair, which is just recessive. And so multiplying that for both of these, we get our progeny is 1/4 male with long yellow fur, 1/4 male with short yellow fur. We get 1/4 female with long tortoiseshell fur, and then we get 1/4 female with short tortoiseshell fur.